Nice at the bar, cool. I love how them have only for beach chair though. I want think people always at 5 for beach chairs and stuff. But it's a beautiful day. People out there try to sell. Everybody out there try to sell something. Oh my Gelato Wave. It's beautiful. Nice Waterslide. Have a lazy river as well. Love, love, love. Nice. Look kind of long. It's really good.
They have like a bar.
Nice to go tour nugget. Kind of have to speed up the process, you know, it come down. Oh. That's it. Oh man, try myself. Where's it? That. Jeez, guava wings. Guava wings. Guys, let me try this. I see what come there now. How is it?
Really good.
Cheers.
You did no reaction. I'll give you $3 when you get back.
What they got you?
They gave me.
Scratch market. Let's see what we got. Oh, yes. What we're gonna get?
Lemon. Right, yes. There's your big scoop.
Okay, and then I'll do another scoop of cookie and cream by itself. Yeah.
Don't be using the cheese.
Cookie and cream as well. Yeah, just one. Yes, this is too cute. Cheese. I like it. Like, love, love, love. Ice cream shot.
It got hurt.
Moment of truth.